Okay, now you gotta just hold it with this hand here so you can see what you're looking at. No? Okay. Alright guys, so he goes ahead and we go behind. The other thing that's really important, remember you want to go wide. So you make your corners wide. Yeah, make sure we're in there, Jeff. Not too much of the tip. Okay. We really need the tripod, eh? So follow. Go ahead, Tushar. Go, go, go. Wide. When you want to slow down, foot. Turn it this way, Jonathan. There you go. No, vertical, vertical. And stop, Tushar. Alright, pass me the camera. Pass me the camera. Stop, Tushar, stop! Stop! Thank you. I'm trying to take the camera. Alright, let's go. Go, go, go. Go, go, come on down. I'll do the camera. Remember, turn. That's it. Push into the corners. Careful. Remember, turn, turn. Slow it down. Guys, remember, if you go like this, it goes slower. You go to one side, it goes slower, winding, like that, not so fast. Then that way you make a little bit of slide. So try going from one end to the other. That's it. Turn, turn, turn. One side, then the other. So I say always go on the outside corner. Always outside corner. Yeah, outside corner. Otherwise you hit the car.